All right, still waiting to see if there's going to be an attack on Syria. Let's talk with Chris Gersch with Altimum Capital. Chris, how would this affect traders if, and maybe some people would say when, there is an attack?
Good morning. Well, you know, what happened as far as last week is concerned, we had a lot of traders positioning themselves for that attack, and that's going to continue to happen. You see a lot of put buying as far as the S&P in the future months. Really, you know, this week is going to be all eyes on the news, but a lot of these traders have already positioned themselves for that follow through on the S&P, and no one's really having any buy orders put into the 1590 level, which is a key psychological level here on the floor. So as far as the fears are concerned, I think that traders are well positioned for if there is any action, and if not, those are going to be slowly unwound. We're not going to see a huge march up in the market this week, regardless.
Chris, we've also heard that the government doesn't want to make this a protracted. It's going to be a surgical strike, so maybe once it happens, that'll be almost a sense of relief.
It will be a sense of relief, and I think that once it does occur, I don't think that you're going to see an equity follow through, but I do think that you're going to see a immediate pullback, a filling of a lot of those orders. But I believe that a prolonged non-action is going to hurt the market even more.
Quickly, September, usually a negative month for the markets, and we have the Fed meeting, and also the spending bill has to be dealt with. What does it look like to you in the weeks ahead?
It doesn't look good if I'm a long-time holder. We are positioning ourselves a little bit more into a stronger dollar situation, but at the same time, I think gold is going to be continuing a safe haven as it hovers around that 1400 level, and you know, a area of safety once again as we go into a wartime trading session.
All right, Chris, you have a good week out there.
You too.